Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they were under pressure on Wednesday, with the Nasdaq consolidating below its year 2000 all-time high of 48.16. Now, shares in energy, banks, and semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, they were all under pressure. And economic data, we had MBA mortgage applications rising 7.1% in the week ended August 5th from a decline of 3.5% the previous week, and the U.S. July budget deficit reaching $113 billion from $149 billion the previous month. Decliners ahead of advancers. 58% of SP500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, CSRA reporting first quarter adjusted pro forma EPS unchanged at 51 cents, with revenues reaching $1.25 billion. And Alphabet in the headlines as Bill Maris, founder and CEO of Apple Incorporated's venture capital arm, leaving the company. This reported by Bloomberg, citing a person familiar with the matter. Now, turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.18%, the Hang Seng up 0.39%, China's CSI 300 down 0.31%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.2%. European markets are trading higher, and U.S. futures calling for a higher open. In terms of earnings today, there is none on the docket for the United States, but the economic docket is plentiful. 8:30 in the morning, we have July import prices as well as initial and continuing jobless claims figures. And the S&P 500, that's under pressure for trading central analysts. So as long as 2183 is the resistance, look for choppy price action with a bearish bias. Short positions below 2183 are favored, with targets at 2163 and 2154 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq seeing a period of consolidation, preferring short positions below 48.08, and the Dow Jones under pressure, preferring short positions below 18,520.